What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you one of the most realistic text-to-speech that is so natural that you will never believe that this is for free. I'm going to show you this one. This will blow your mind. So let's go to Google and then type VEED. So just search, and then now we will go in the first link. Okay, then you will reach to this one and then you will sign up for free. So there will be paid version also, but for free we are going to try. So let's go and create project. Let's click on create project, and then now we are not going to create. We can make videos, we can edit videos and everything here, but we can even make subtitles here guys. So anyways, this is not our topic. Our topic is text to speech, so we will just close this one and then we will go to text to speech. We will click on this one. So once we click on this, we have this preface, and then we will go to the Google and we will get some text. Let's click USA, and then let's copy this one. Let's copy this, and then let's click on text, and then we will just preview.
The United States is by far the most famous country.
So that is Jenny, and then let's go with the guy, which is really Kevin. I think his name should be Kevin.
The United States is by far the most famous country.
Okay, then we will go with another one.
The United States is by far the most famous country.
The United States is by far the most famous country.
Man, he's a very cool voice.
The United States is by far the most famous country.
Let's check this.
The United States is by far the most famous country.
The United States is by far the most famous country. The United States is by far the most famous country.
See, this is very much suitable for the documentaries. Now, what we can do is, you will just add this one to the project. So, once we add to the project, we can upload the videos here, and then we can edit as an MP4. Let's listen the full voice.
The United States is by far the most famous country in the world. It's famous for its attractions, such as the Grand Canyon, tech innovation, sports, and it has a large imprint on the global culture thanks to famous movies, television shows, and music.
This is fantastic guys, this is unbelievably fantastic. So what now, we can export this one as a video, and the limit for this one is like 30 minutes guys. 30 minutes is more than enough, and then we can export, or we can even download the particular section.